Hello there, welcome to Silhouette America. Today I am going to show you how to make an earring holder made out of a frame with some corkboard using the sketch pens to make the design on the corkboard. Alright, so to get started, I really wanted chicken wire as my design, so I made my own pattern by tracing an image and then using the sketch window to give it the sketched look. In order to use the sketch effect, you need to have the Designer Edition of Silhouette Studio. If you don't have Designer Edition and you want the sketched look, I would recommend buying one of the sketch designs on the online store. And to do that, if you click on the mouse icon on the left side, it'll take you straight to the store, and then just type in what design you want, and then over on the left side, under filters, make sure everything's deselected and that sketch is the only thing that is selected, and then you can see all your options and then you can just buy it. But if you do have the Designer Edition, open the sketch window at the top, and then choose the different settings that you want it to be. I use the continuous one for this design, and then go to the advanced options, and then I just tweaked my density. Just play around with the options until you get the look that you want. My design needs to be 5 by 7 or bigger, so I can cut it down to fit inside my frame, so if that gives you an idea of how big it is. Now to load the cork sheet, you need to change the white roller to the second notch in if your cork sheet is 12 inches wide like mine. And then make sure that you put the lever back down to lock it into place, and then line the cork sheet up with the line on the left side and arrow down on the machine to select Load Media and then hit Enter to load. Next, take out the blade and then replace it with a sketch pen and then lock it into place. Before we change the cut settings, I did a test sketch and noticed that my thickness was too high and it ripped through the cork, so I lowered the thickness to 7 to sketch, and it looks something like this, a lot better. Come back to the Silhouette Studio now and go to the cut settings window, which is at the top right, and then since I am using a cork as my material, I am going to make my own custom cut settings. So if you scroll down to the very bottom and then click Custom Media, and then turn off the cutting mat because we don't need a cutting mat for this, and then change the blade to a sketch pen since we're actually sketching, and then the thickness right here, just type in 7 or something really low. You can test it out, whatever works better for you if you want to do a test as well, and then I just make the speed about 3, and then you're all set, so now you can hit cut. As you can see, the sketch pen isn't ripping through the cork and the pen is sketching nicely. After it is all done sketching, press Enter to unload, and then you can see how well the Cameo sketches with the sketch pens. The next thing you want to do is trim down the sketched part of the cork to fit into the frame, and then place it in your frame with the cardboard from the frame on the back side of the cork with the glass on top of the cardboard for stability. Then push your earrings through the cork for a finished touch. Your finished product should look something like this when you are done. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.